What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T, back again today with another beater box. This is that 690 box. I promised you guys in the last video I had unboxed from the full size run. This one is not from full size run. Like I said, Soul Supremacy box. It's that cool little hoodie they shot your boy, and I want to say like an 890 box or something. They threw in some merch, so shout out to them for the merch. Always good to get some free goodies. 690 bucks. This box cost me shipped, so $650 for the box, $40 for the shipping. You guys keep asking me about memberships. I'm gonna always tell you I have no idea. They are a membership-based company, so memberships are currently closed. I have no idea when they plan on opening it. They keep saying they're gonna open it, then they change their mind. The best bet is to follow them on Twitter to stay updated on all that stuff. Or y'all can just slide through and hit up Frankie at Full Size Run and copy a mystery box there, because they don't have a membership thing yet. I'm pretty sure once he get booming, he's gonna have some memberships going up or whatever. But we're gonna jump right into this one, man. 690 bucks. We're gonna jump right in here. Got my handy dandy pocket work knife with me. Work blade. This box is full. Man, I got two pair off the rip with no box. No box. We got some classic J's right off. Start off with, we got a size 9 and the French blue 12s. Check those out. Size 9. Look like they need a pretty good cleaning. Still have some life left, but no box or anything like that with these. Do have a few scuffs on the toe box, but man, this is a classic Jordan. Very dope. They'll probably be retro in this soon. Jordan 12 French blues. Next up, we got some NMDs, the OG NMDs, if I'm not mistaken. These were highly sought after at one point. Don't know what they going for now, but these are very, very clean, no box. Size 10 on these. So size 10 on the NMDs. I know some of y'all still rocking with them. Nothing wrong with NMDs, man. They just look horrible on my feet. But overall, these are dope. Show y'all the front. I'll flip the shoe a million times, show y'all what they look like up front. Very, very clean. Very dope pair. Size 10. No box. I got shoes all over the place in this room. Size 8.5. We got an Air Jordan 13. Just make sure y'all can see that. With that good old face box, so we know it's older. Alright. Another clean OG classic pair. We got the red 13s. One of my favorite 13s. I still have mine. I got out of a beater box. Size 11. I'm probably gonna end up selling mine, but these are a size 8.5. Very clean. Dope, dope, dope. These are from 2004 release. In really good shape, man. For 15 years. Whoever had these took really good care of them. Normally that toe box is way more beat up than what we have here. Even got the retro card in the box. Whoever had them was probably a true collector and took care of all of that. Size 8.5. Alright, the rest of these, along with that one, come with a box. This box is full, man. I still got 2, 3, 4 pair left. Oh, 5 pair left in the box. Size 11, my size. I'm 10.5, 11. We got an Air Jordan 14, black, red, black varsity. I think I know what these are. I'm wrong. I thought these were the last shots. These are what, the DMP 14s. These are dope. I never had these. Black and gold. Very good condition. Size. Make sure it's the right size. These are size 11. So these will come with the replacement box. Pre-owned. They got the bottom. They gold. I've never even held these in hand before. still have the plastic on the emblem right there on the side of the shoe. A lot of times people do not take that off, so it's pretty good. It helps preserve it a little bit. We got 4 pair left. This box is a little beat up. Another size 11 and another size 14. Or another Jordan 14. Another replacement box. I want to say these are like, I'm probably gonna be all wrong, Sequoia 8s. Nah, I don't know. I made that up, y'all. I don't know what these are. I do remember when they dropped. I like the orange on them. I'm not even gonna lie. I like the colorway of these. I'm really a big fan of the color of these. Very dope. The material feels kind of weird on this. Not sure what material this is on here. These are, let me make sure they are size 11. So we're getting the right sizes on the box. Just the wrong shoes in the box. Check those out. These are clean though. Very good condition. Size 11. Shoot. We pulled out five pair and I still got 3 left. So this is a pretty big box. We got 8 pair out here. Alright, look like we hitting all size 11s this box. I'm not even on another replacement box because we all know that this is not a retro 9 box. We got the bread 9s. I want to say these are the bread 9s. These right here didn't come out, but these came out this year. Bread 9s. They are size 11. Guess I gotta check the size on everything since I'm not getting the original box on nothing. Again, really good shape. Check out the toe box. These are pretty cool. I'm not a big 9 guy. I used to be. Oh, Cool Grade 9s was one of my favorites for a while. Cool Grade 9s was just dope to me back in the day. I don't know why, but I just really liked them. I don't really mess with 9s anymore now. I guess I'm more into the trainers and the runners and all that stuff now. And a couple other little Jordan ones. We got an Air Force. Again, not even gonna read the box. I don't even know why I showed it to y'all because again, we got a replacement box. This box was a one big replacement. These are size 13. We got the bread, one of those, which I guess is better than what the box did. The box was supposed to be an Air Force One. So I'll take these. These are size 13. These will probably move really fast. Check those out. Those high top breads I pulled, man, posted them here locally and ended up meeting a pretty cool cat that came through and grabbed them within like 24 hours of me even posting them. So, and he had the same name as me. It was pretty interesting. Same middle name. Well, my first name is his middle name. I get that straight. Anyway, size 13 on those. Jordan ones. We running through this box quick because I got another box I need to unbox. We moving on at a different speed nowadays, man. These boxes are coming in, so we trying to get them out to y'all. We got a new Jordan box. Jordan 9 11, size 11. Man, how did these make it into a beater box already? I don't know. These are size 11, not dead stock. So whoever had them probably just wasn't feeling them when they copped them, or either just bought into some hype or something. Check them out though, very clean. These are dope. Like I said, I'm not a big 9 guy, but white and red, these white and red ones came pretty clean. I'm pretty sure these are gonna go fast. I don't even know if they sold out or not. I'll be lying to you, I mean, I don't keep up with releases and all of that stuff no more. I just buy boxes and do my research on stuff when it comes in now. If it's something I see like on Instagram or something I see on the web that I like, then I'll go for it. But most of the time with the sneaker world nowadays, it's a lot different than when I first, when I was coming up into it. So the way things are done now, it's kind of like a turn off for me. But if it's something I like, I go get it. But most of the time, everything makes it to outlets, or either I'm gonna get it in the box. Like I done got spoiled with beater boxes, and now the homie Frankie plugging me with the, not plugging me, but hooking it up with the mystery boxes over there, full size run. So we just gonna keep on buying boxes, man. That's gonna conclude this $690 box. Overall, I feel like I'm happy with it. 8 pair, fairly easy to move, all Jordans and a cool NMD that's in great shape, OG NMD. So I think everything's gonna move pretty fast. Very happy with it. Already got another box on the way, so we're gonna get these videos out quick. I'm trying not to be too lazy to get these videos shot and uploaded, man. A lot of times I'll order a bunch of boxes, only shoot a video for one and handle it like that. And now I'm trying to get as many videos up and out to y'all as possible. So you guys can check them out and see, man. What y'all think about this box? $690, 8 pair, all fairly easy to move. I want to say these right here is the most beat pair in the box. The French Blues. I had a homie hook these up, clean them up or whatever. Or I might just sell them how it is and give somebody a player discount for them. Size 9. These will probably still move fast, man. It's a pretty dope colorway, so just throw somebody a deal on those here locally, or if one of y'all want them, just hit me up. Thank you for everybody watching these videos. Make sure you hit that sub button if you are not subbed to the channel. I will, like I said, have more boxes going up. And for all y'all who want a counter at the end of the video to see how much profit is at the end of the video, I will put that on the end of the video at the bottom right now. Boom. It should be laid out like somewhere right there. Alright, man, that's gonna conclude this box. I appreciate it. Hit the sub button, follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. I'm out. Peace.